Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wheels, Guns, and Shoes, home of the free and the brave, not the enslaved and timid. Today I actually have a special unboxing and try on, because I am going to try this jacket on. It's a new 2022 Axis heated hooded jacket. I have the version I did in 2019 here as well. We can see how that one held up. And we'll just get straight into the video. All right, so straight into the video. Here's the jacket. I got an XL, and it's an Axis M12 heated Axis hooded jacket kit. In 2019, I suggested that they don't come with a charger, and it looks like they decided to go that route because most people buying this jacket probably have the charger or not really too worried about it. They would probably just get the charger themselves, so that way they could get the one that charges the M18 and the M12 battery. It comes with the jacket, a battery, the battery holder that allows it to adapt to the jacket, and a charging cable. Again, this is an XL, it's the hooded one. It comes with a 3.0 M12 battery. Let's see, just kind of go around the box here, give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Here's some sizing information. So again, you're gonna measure around your chest here, and you can do that with a piece of string or a measuring tape. I do have the string and measuring tape, all right, so I went and got some measuring devices. This is how you measure your chest with one of these, but you could literally do anything. This is just a charging cable you can wrap around your chest, and you just get a normal tape measure and set it on there, and it'll tell you. And you would just set it on the tape measure to see what your measurements are. Or if you have an actual tape that measures, you could use that. But you could literally use anything. String, charging cable, rope, whatever you got, you measure up here around your chest, and that will give you what measurement to go with. They also have waist measurements, but I wouldn't necessarily go off of that. Let me just set this stuff aside. So the sizes. Which are somewhere around here. I keep passing them up. There they are. So the chest measurement, it shows you how to measure along the chest right there. And we have a small that measures 34 through 36, a medium 38 through 40, a large 42 through 44. An XL is a 46 through 48. 2XL is a 50 through 52. A 3XL is a 54 through 56. So I came in at, my chest was 46. So that's why I got the XL. I guess we could just unbox this thing right now. We've gone over everything on the box. Let's see what this new one looks like. Don't leave home without it. So that's nice. Flips up. Here's the jacket. Set that there for now. Comes with a little pamphlet of Milwaukee stuff. I'm sure everybody's going to go through this. Got it to fold it back up. That was pretty impressive. Oh, another little piece of tape here. And probably the most important thing is your battery. And then here's some instructions on how to use the jacket. I'm sure everybody's going to read those too. There's the jacket unboxing. Give me 1 second, let me wrangle in my dog. All right, I got the dog back semi under control. Right, Arrow? So again, last time I did the video was August, and again it's August, so I'm sweating and it's hot. So I remember that one coming in a little smaller. So let's see what this one seems like. Oh, more stuff folded up in there. More instructions. So right off the bat, you're going to notice this is new, the buttons. They still have these rubber things on the jacket. The buttons are new. It seems like a more durable material. Only time will tell. They no longer have that cuff that went around your wrist, because they used to have something like that in the old one. Okay. Oh, so this hood is a different material. So that's interesting. All right, so let me set up the camera different, and I will try this on. This time the air compressor isn't on. Last time the air compressor was on, and everybody had to hear that. Okay. So again, I'm about, let's see. That's not bad. It seems a little bigger than the last one. Maybe I should have gone with a large. Maybe just go true to size on this one. I'm still a Columbia jacket fan, and I wear large in that. Let's see. What's it look like at the waist? So I mean, a little room, right? Little room there. A lot of room there. It's just the chest, not really. I mean, it's flexible, which is what you want out of a jacket. So, I want to see the hood up, right? So I guess if you had like a hard hat or a beanie or something on your head, it would probably fit a little bit better. Overall, seems like a nice jacket. I mean, they always have nice jackets, right? So, all right, let's see if they came with a charged battery. Zip it up. And these little dimples here, I'll show a close-up picture of it. That's what you actually hold to turn on. And it's still independent. And it no longer changes LEDs, it just changes what lights up here. So it no longer goes to red, white, and blue. Red, white, and blue. It just has these indicators of what level you're on. And you still hold it for 2 seconds to turn it on or turn it off. Can you hold both? You can hold both, and you can take off both. So there is that. And then these button up. again, seems a little bigger, but that's okay. Let's see how the old one held up over the years. Here's the old one. This one's an XL2. Fairly smaller. So they must have changed their measuring. Lots of rips everywhere. I mean, everywhere. This one again, a little big in the waist area, but fairly good in the chest area. They must have made them smaller, or this one shrank. I wash this thing on high and dry it on high. I don't even pay attention, and this still actually works. I can show that. Take the new one out. Open up this. Put that in there. And there you go. See how this one changes colors? To let you know what intensity of heat you are getting. That one doesn't change colors. I do like the color change. I wish they would have kept that on that one. But yeah, this thing has ripped up and been beat up. Some stains and stuff on it. And I don't think I was that hard on this jacket. It actually ripped fairly easy. This seems like a sturdier material, but only time will tell, right? Now, here is my battery hack. This thing lasts all day. Sorry, I have something sticking me. This thing lasts all day on high for 8 hours at least. So this one is definitely the way to go. I will leave a link in the description if this interests you. And let's see if it works. Yep, it works. It would be nice if those change colors, but nope, no changing colors for this jacket. So it still has the two side pockets, it still has the inner flap. The only real difference is the material. It seems a little bit more durable. The sizing has changed a little bit. It seems like it's a little bit bigger, more true to size, well, at least in America. It's got a hood, but it's not made out of the same material. It's made out of like a softer material. And those seem like the only differences I'm seeing so far. Oh, and I did mention it has the ability to put that battery wherever you want it, in the front or the back. And it's just one big long pocket. So that's interesting. Again, a little bigger, made a little bit bigger than the previous generation. So that's good to know for everybody out there. And all right, so this is Wheels, Guns, and Shoes. And I do have my Conceal Carry, empty mag, empty chamber. Cock the gun, make sure it's empty, point in a safe direction, pull the trigger. All these mags empty and they're locked open. Make sure you always point a firearm in a safe direction. So normally when I conceal carry, it depends on what time of year. but sometimes I'll have it in the waist, right? I don't have my holster, but this is just to give an example. And you won't be able to see the firearm. Right, so if you're an in the waistband carry, you can't really see the firearm. It's not really imprinting. But most of the time, I will put it in my pocket and go to my truck or my car and put it in my conceal carry spot in the vehicle. And then when I get out of the vehicle, I'll put it back in the waistband or leave it in the vehicle, depending on where I'm at. But it fits very well there. This is a Glock 43. This is an FNX Tactical 45. A little bit bigger firearm. I don't really conceal carry this one. So, cock it, make sure the chamber's empty, point in a safe direction, pull the trigger. Put it in there with the magazine. This one's gonna stick out a little bit. This is a Glock 19, again, empty magazine. Cock it, make sure the chamber's empty, point the firearm in a safe direction, pull the trigger. It has a brace on it, pistol brace. The brace won't fit in there. Definitely gonna imprint like that. I normally carry a Glock 43. This is my everyday carry right here. This is a great little firearm. But all right, so we did the battery hack. We checked the pockets, see if you can conceal carry in the jacket. You can. And since it's the middle of August, I am taking this thing off. Woo, it is hot. Maybe it'll shrink up if you wash it. I'm not sure. But I think this one's a little big compared to the other one, unfortunately. And I already placed the order for it. Again, it's fairly big. Not in the chest, but just the waist. All right, let's get this thing off. Oh yeah, and it has cords on the bottom now to tighten it up, stitch it down. All right, guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe and like. Even if you didn't like the video, please subscribe and like. Let me know what you thought in the comments. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll do my best to try to answer them. I will leave a link for this battery hack. Every time I do it, Milwaukee always says something like, we don't suggest that battery, and they don't like me showing the battery anyway, but let's do a size comparison. So here's the 3.0. This one's just a little bit taller. Just a little bit taller. Little bit thicker. And a little wider. So I mean, they're pretty comparable in size, these batteries. Just do another little 360 here for you. So that's my video again. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and catch you guys on the next episode.